Hey, beautiful people! Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to keep your skin glowing, fresh, and fabulous. Your skin is more than just a pretty face. It's the largest organ in your body, and it works around the clock to protect you from the outside world. But here's the thing, your skin needs some love and care in return. So how can you achieve that radiant glow everyone raves about? Well, it's all about understanding what your skin needs and giving it the proper care. We'll explore the importance of nutrition, the right skincare routine, the benefits of exercise, the essential role of sun protection, and the power of stress relief and self-care. It's time to embrace your skin in all its unique beauty and give it the VIP treatment it deserves. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to radiant skin? Well, get ready, because we've got the keys right here. First up, let's talk about what you put in your body. Remember, you are what you eat. It's a saying we've all heard, but when it comes to your skin, it couldn't be truer. What we consume has a direct impact on our skin's health and appearance. So let's dive into the world of nutrition for healthy skin. Our bodies, including our skin, are constantly under attack from free radicals. These pesky molecules can cause damage to our cells, leading to signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. But don't worry, there's a group of superheroes ready to fight these villains: antioxidants. These powerful compounds are found in abundance in many fruits and vegetables, and they work tirelessly to neutralize free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. Now let's get specific. Want to load your diet with antioxidants? Look for vibrant, colorful fruits and vegetables. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants. They're like nature's candy, and they're doing your skin a world of good. When it comes to vegetables, go for the greens and the oranges. Kale, spinach, and other leafy greens are full of antioxidants, as well as skin-loving vitamins like A, C, and E. Sweet potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers are also fantastic choices. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A key player in skin health. Healthy fats are also a crucial part of a skin-friendly diet. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of these beneficial fats. They help keep your skin supple and moisturized, promoting a healthy, youthful glow. Lastly, don't forget about hydration. Water is essential for keeping your skin hydrated and plump. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and enjoy hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon. So there you have it. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you're not only fueling your body with the goodness it needs, but you're also nourishing your skin from the inside out. Load up on colorful fruits and veggies like berries, kale, and sweet potatoes to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Now, let's get down to business with your skincare routine. It's not just about slapping on some lotion and calling it a day. A successful skincare regimen is about consistency and using products that cater to your unique skin type. Are you ready? Let's get glowing. First up, cleansing. This is the foundation of any skincare routine. Think of it as the clean slate, wiping away all the dirt, oil, and makeup from your face. But remember, not all cleansers are created equal. Opt for a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser that won't strip your skin of its essential oils. Next, we have toning. Now, toners might be the unsung heroes of skincare. They balance your skin's pH levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. A well-formulated toner can hydrate, replenish, and even provide antioxidant and anti-aging benefits. So don't skip this step. And finally, moisturizing. Moisturizing is all about hydration and protection. It's like providing your skin with a big, refreshing drink of water and then sealing it in. Whether you prefer lightweight lotions or rich creams, make sure your moisturizer suits your skin type and contains beneficial ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. But wait, there's more. Yes, the holy trinity of cleanse, tone, and moisturize is essential, but what about exfoliation? Exfoliating once or twice a week can help remove dead skin cells, leaving your complexion smoother and brighter. Just remember to be gentle. Your skin is not a floor, so no need to scrub it raw. And let's not forget about serums, masks, and eye creams. These can be added to your routine as required and provide targeted treatment to specific skin concerns. Think of them as your skincare routine's special forces, swooping in to tackle everything from wrinkles to dark spots. To wrap it up, an effective skincare routine isn't a one-size-fits-all affair. It's all about understanding your skin and giving it what it needs. So experiment, observe, and tweak your regimen as necessary. And above all, remember that beautiful skin is about more than just looking good. It's about feeling good too. Find products that work for your skin type to cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Who said skincare can't be fun? Time to get those endorphins pumping with a workout. Now you might be thinking, what does exercise have to do with skincare? Well, let's debunk some myths and let the facts shine through. Exercise is a fantastic way to maintain healthy skin. When we work out, our heart rate increases, pumping more blood throughout our body. This increased circulation carries oxygen and nutrients to our skin cells, helping them function optimally. Think of it as a mini facial from the inside out, but the benefits don't stop there. Regular exercise also promotes the production of collagen, the protein responsible for keeping our skin firm and youthful. So not only does exercise help us feel good, it also helps us look good. Now let's talk about sweat. Sure, it might not be the most glamorous part of a workout, but it plays a crucial role in our skin's health. Sweating opens up our pores, allowing dirt, oil, and toxins to be flushed out. It's like a natural detox for your skin. But remember, after every good sweat session, it's important to cleanse your skin to remove any lingering impurities and avoid clogged pores. So don't forget to pack your favorite cleanser in your gym bag. Last but not least, exercise is a great stress reliever. High stress levels can cause a variety of skin issues, including acne, wrinkles, and even eczema. By reducing stress, exercise helps keep these skin problems at bay. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a yoga class, or a high-intensity interval training session, find an activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Your skin will thank you. So there you have it. Exercise isn't just about building strength and endurance. It's a vital part of a holistic skincare routine. So lace up those sneakers, get moving, and let your skin reap the benefits. Breaking a sweat helps flush out toxins, giving you that gorgeous post-workout glow. Ah, the golden rule of skincare. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. It's more than just a summer staple. It's a daily essential. You see, our skin is constantly exposed to the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, and these rays don't discriminate. Whether you're indoors, outdoors, or even on a cloudy day, these UV rays can cause premature aging, sunburn, and in some cases, even skin cancer. So it's pivotal that we protect our skin every day, all year round. Think of sunscreen as your skin's personal bodyguard, always ready to shield and protect. And when choosing your sunscreen, look for the magic words, broad spectrum. This ensures that you're protected from both UVA and UVB rays. Apply a generous layer to all exposed skin, and remember to reapply every 2 hours or immediately after sweating or swimming. Shield your skin from harmful UV rays with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. This step is non-negotiable. And finally, don't forget to treat yourself to some TLC. Stress can wreak havoc on our skin, so take time to unwind and pamper yourself. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often forget to take a breather. The constant go, go, go can leave us feeling frazzled and our skin looking lackluster. But fear not, because self-care is here to save the day, and your skin. The magic of self-care lies in its simplicity. It's all about taking a moment for yourself, to rejuvenate not just your body, but your mind and spirit as well. And when you're feeling good on the inside, it radiates on the outside, giving your skin that coveted healthy glow. So let's dive into some self-care rituals that could be your skin's new best friend. First up is the humble face mask. These little packets of goodness are a skincare enthusiast's dream come true. From hydrating to detoxifying, brightening to soothing, there's a face mask for every skin concern. So put on your favorite mask, lie back, and let it work its magic. Next, we have the ever so relaxing bubble bath. There's nothing quite like sinking into a warm, fragrant bath at the end of a long day. The warm water helps to open up your pores, allowing your skin to absorb all the beneficial ingredients in your bath products. Plus, it's a great way to soothe tired muscles and unwind. And finally, let's not forget about meditation. This ancient practice is a proven stress buster. Regular meditation can reduce stress and anxiety levels, which in turn can help to calm skin inflammation and breakouts. So, find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and let your mind find its peace. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. It's about prioritizing your well-being in a world that often demands too much. So take that break, do what makes you happy. Your skin, and more importantly, you deserve it. Indulge in a soothing face mask, enjoy a bubble bath, or simply meditate. Your skin will thank you. Remember, lovelies, healthy skin isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle. This journey we've embarked on today is all about celebrating your skin and giving it the love it deserves. We've covered the importance of nourishing your body with antioxidant-rich foods, establishing a tailored skincare routine, and getting that heart rate up with some fun exercise. We've also touched on the golden rule of skincare. protecting your skin with SPF, come rain or shine. And let's not forget the power of self-care to unwind and de-stress, giving your skin that much-needed TLC. These steps are the key to unlocking the door to radiant, healthy skin. But remember, everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. So embrace your individual beauty, find what works best for you, and nurture your skin in your own special way. Follow these tips, embrace your unique beauty, and watch yourself glow from the inside out.